Asia. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good everyone. My name is Narrator, and I will guide you to look videos about how to use Waterpass. So let's check it out. First, unlock the straw in the stative, and also unlock the screw in the stative too. And then the second is you must adjust the height of stative equivalent to your chest, just like in the video.
And then the third step is you must widen the stative until the stative look like this. So in this video you can see that survivor forget to lock this screw, but in reality first you must lock this screw and then widen the stative.
Then the next step is you must lock this water pass until the water pass is not shaky, just like in the video.
And then the next step is you must see the nipple in the water pass. So if the bubble in the nipple is not in the middle of circle, you must try the bubble until the bubble is in the middle of circle using the screw fetter. So the example is like in the video you can see. Until like this.
And then the next step is you must shoot the water pass to the measurement sign. So the first thing you must do it is you must focusing the water pass using macrometer, and then the second thing is you must shoot to the measurement sign using visor, and then if you see there is not good, not see the measurement sign, you must use the horizontal drive, just like in the video.
Black and blue, the devil in me, so Satan you. Maybe we've been sipping on too much juice. One more time and I'm through with you. Hold on, let's just hold on. Let's just hold on. Let's just hold on. Hold on.
Okay guys, enough for this video, and I will show you one video again. So what is this?
So this is the measurement sign.
And this is Novo.
This is Nico, and we want to explain you about this equipment.
So first, you put the Novo to this. After that, you must like a circle in the center. After that, you can center it by the water pass to this measurement sign.
Wait. So how you read the measurement sign?
We can see the number on it. The number on it is in decimeter or dm. So the difference between the up of E in this area to this is about 0.1 millimeter.
That's it our video and bye. Ta 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 ta